question which is asked in 2014. Let's see, integration minus 2 to 3 modulus of 1 minus x square dx. See, this one is another question, integration 0 to fractional part of x dx. So this is homework to you. You know already the graph I explained in your class. This is x minus 1, like that. I explained you graph. You know everything, 0, 1, 2. So here 0 to 1, that is x, 1 to 2, x minus 1. You can break this and you can simplify this graph. Let us see how to do this one. Integration 0 to can be break as 0 to 1. Fractional part of x graph, you know 0 to 1 is x. So this I will get as this fractional part open x dx plus integration 1 to 2. 1 to 2 is what? X minus 1. 1 to 2, that is x minus 1 dx. And now you can integrate this one, very simple, and substitute that. And you can do it, that's very simple. You can see once again your notes and you will come to know the slope is here minus 1 and the point is 1 comma 0. Point is 1 comma 0. Slope is slope is how much here? 1. The substitute you can see what you are getting the answer. Slope is 1 and slope point is 1 comma 0. You get the equation of the line. Y is equal to x minus 1. So you can do it that. Okay. Let's see now this one. Integration minus 2 to 3 1 minus x square dx. This is you have to find. So what I get as 1 minus x square. What are the zeros of this you find out. So x square is equal to 1. That is x is equal to plus or minus 1. So the zeros are marked here. So this one is changed. This question is changed on the number line. You have a minus 2. You have a minus 1. You have a plus 1. You have a 3. So this is break here. How many parts? 1, 2, 3. So minus 2 to minus 1, minus 1 to 1, and 1 to 3. So 3 parts is break. So this question is break into 3 parts. So you can write this one how here minus 2 to minus 1 mod 1 minus x square dx plus integration minus 2 to minus 1, then minus 1 to 1 mod 1 minus x square dx plus integration where to where 1 to 3 mod 1 minus x square dx. You have to simplify like this. So this is break into 3 parts and we have to find this answer. So minus 2 to minus 1. Let us take minus 1.5. Minus here on the number line. This is take minus 1.5. Minus 1.5 square is the positive number. 1 minus this 0 getting negative. This is open with negative. So the answer will be minus 2 to minus 1. This integral value. This is open with negative. So minus of x square minus 1. So you get here. Okay. Just open with minus. So if you open with minus, minus of 1 minus x square dx. This will be answer for this one. Modulus open with negative. Now in this case minus 1 2 plus 1. Minus 1 to plus 1, let us take 0. 0 you substitute here. 0 square is 1. 1 minus 0 is 0. 1 minus 0 is 1. So you are getting here positive number. You are getting here positive. So here minus 1 to 1. This I am opening with positive, not negative. 1 minus x square dx plus. Now let us go for 1 to 3. 1 to 3 let us take 2. 2 square is 4. 1 minus 4. Negative number. So this is 1 to 3. 1 to 3. This is opening with negative. Minus of 1 minus x square dx. This is the way to open this one. Modulus function to be opened in this way. And this is most important question. Okay, these are most important questions. What I have done here, I have find the zeros of this and I plot the zeros on the number line and the rest of the intervals I kept and I made into branches. These are the 3 branches made. I am checking in this branch positive or negative, in this branch positive or negative, in this branch positive or negative. If negative I am opening with negative, if it is positive opening with positive. So I is equal to what I get here minus 2 to minus 1. This will become plus x square and this will become minus 1 dx. This is I get like this. And here I get here minus 1 to 1, 1 minus x square dx. No change here. And here I get as 1 to 3. Here plus x square minus 1 dx. Now you can integrate easily this one. What is x square different integration? X cube by 3. 1 integration x and substitute minus 1 minus 2. Minus 1 minus 2 you substitute. Plus means upper limit minus 1 substitute. Then you substitute minus 2. Plus plus integration. Integration of this one is how much? Integration of 1 is x. Integration of x square is what? X cube by 3. See here, you can do individual also. Means you can do this one and substitute interval. Do integration of this one and substitute. I am doing combinedly. You want to do integration separately, you can separately do it, and then you can substitute minus 1 1. Plus here, integration of this one. What is integration of x square? X cube by 3 minus integration of 1 x. Now I can substitute the lower limit, upper limit 1 and 3. So what is your work now? Minus 1 substitute in this, minus 2 substitute in this, plus this you substitute and simplify. What is the answer? You can post to. This today's class. The end.